former Kotoko player Mukwala Stephen Desi I find a new club to say the last me the bro no on say me be report on if you say Mukwala every Simba hona every no then any HL Libya ena okudru Libya club a friend Al Nassr a war Libyan league no no a war Cameroon. So as you can see on the screen of photo no abra okudru ye na omo colors no green utmu say no new life, new environment for former Kumasi Asante Kotoko striker. And young one say or joining Kumasi Asante Kotoko in 2022 and free 2024. Free Kumasi Asante Kotoko 2024 no and or joining Simba and also 2024 to 2026. Into we check here. Sa Uganda ni agent no sa no ye ne dealings okwa 2 years no akoje no abo 2 years no akoje no abo enti wo he ne track na sa na enti enye nwanwa se okọ anase ho no na anase ho no so mate se 2 years bibisa ho nso bo wie ya pa no okọ but this time around Simba there no the news I'm gathering is that when we season, also go we season, it can be 6 months be for the end of the contract to come to an end, and not deal with by Simba for no decide they say, no ebe party ways decide they say uncle. Yes, in the no former Kotoko striker no Okolibia. Yes, that's the news. And another great news say PMU I want to interfere so a trend palm a Kuma Pim group. Once I dako jachi projects na manfo busa ho asem pan. Na as you can see on the screen, blocks na ewo ho no 1,000 pieces, 100,000. Hey no, 100,000 they get ho. 1,000 pieces of blocks. And the Kuma Pim groups donate ma Asante Kotoko IMC me no ka say for the Kumasi Asante Kotoko adako jachi project no. Dumedia blocks bit me dibia no and we say Kuma Pim group no the blocks no akọ enya asem ketua ho ye bebo baba so Kotoko ni bi o ba bia so bi contribute to be say I'm sure say Kotoko adako jachi project since 2013 we'll check here how many years it is getting to another 13 years adako jachi project yintimi mfa pomano nsi ba bia o CDC yabebo Kuma Pim group na baso na fabulous census ni contribution bia o sie bia enye ne mboa na adako jachi enya well established.